The Future Classroom Lab has 6 learning zones which represent different learning styles, but also key stages in project work and 21st century learning scenarios. The investigation zone is where pupils and students do research on data. Data can be anything: text material, results of science experiments, pieces of art, video and audio, results of surveys, etc. Afterwards, the students will be encouraged to create a product which will contain the outcomes of the data investigation. Later on, this creation will be presented to an interactive audience, so preferably not just for the teacher. During these 3 key stages, students will have to collaborate and exchange with their peers. At some stages in the project, the teacher might also want to integrate teacher-led activities and interact with the students in a more traditional way. The learning story should also encourage informal learning. Students should be prepared to become lifelong learners, and at school, but also of course at home, they should have the time and the space for personal development. In the future classroom, pupils and students become more engaged. They can connect their personality to the learning process. Technology is used in a spontaneous, organic way and gives an added value. Learning takes place in a real-life setting and is meaningful.